Hello, and welcome back to 6th grade math support. My name is Dr. Griggs, and these are our topics for the school year. We will now be working with the number system. This objective has 13. This topic has 13 objectives. We are now on the objective for today. Today's objective is fluently divide multi-digit numbers using the standard algorithm. So that's pretty much dealing with long division. So let's look at an example problem. A school library has 1,248 books. The librarian wants to place them evenly on 26 shelves. Here's the question. How many books will be on each shelf? Will there be any books left over? So we have two questions that we will be addressing with this division. Well, first, let's get this set up. We know that the school library has 1,248 books, and they're being divided evenly onto 26 shelves. So that means the books are being divided by the shelves. In this case, 1,248 is being divided by 26. So we know 26 cannot go into 1, it cannot go into 12, it can go into 124. How many times? Let's see. 26 times 1 is 26. And if we do times 2, that will be 52. If we do times 3, well, that's going to be 26 plus 52, which will be 78. Times 4, now we're doing 78 plus 26. We'll just repeat adding because usually we don't memorize up to this number. So repeat addition can be useful in being able to make it through the multiples for an unknown number that we're not accustomed to memorizing. So again, we'll be adding 78 plus 26. That's going to give us 104. Times 5. Well, we'll be adding 104 plus 26. That's going to be 130. Well, that is too much because we don't want to go over 124. So we can go in 4 times. And we determined that 26 times 4 would be 104. That makes sense because 6 times 4 is 24. We will write our 4 and regroup our 2. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. So that will leave us with 104 as the answer. That way we can look at it both ways. Repeat adding as well as multiplication. I'm sorry, that's going to be subtraction. Now, 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. And we will bring the 8 down. So now we're trying to determine how many times 26 can go into 208. Well, we can keep going with our repeat addition. We left off on 5. So if we add another 26, that would be 156. And I'm going to just work this out too. That way you can kind of get used to the repeat addition. If we do another 26, that's 12, regroup with 1, that's 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 2 is 8. That is 182. Yeah. Gonna add another 26. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Regroup with 1, 2. Oh, well, it gets us exactly to where we want to be. So it can go in 8 times. And that's going to be exactly 208. So to answer our question, how many books will be on each shelf? There will be 48 books on each shelf. Will there be any books left over? There is a 0 remainder, so there will be no books left over. Thank you so much for joining. I really hope this was helpful to you. And if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much and have a great day. Thank you so much for joining my tutoring session today. If you enjoyed the way that I instruct and you think that I would be a useful addition to your student or to yourself, feel free to scan this QR code. It is going to take you directly to my profile page where you can get set up on weekly classes with me. Looking forward to seeing you in the classroom. Bye.